My undergrad is in biochemistry because I wanted to go to med school. After I graduated, I visited some chiropractic schools, some med schools. It just didn't connect with me. It was not what I anticipated. Everything was just full of so much testing equipment and machines. And I thought, what is this? It felt more like a techno lab than a doctor's office to me. So I didn't want to do that. And then I went into accounting. I'm a CPA. And because I thought this way I can continue to study and make money at the same time. What I really was drawn into was the makings of the human mind and the deeper psychology and what makes people behave the way we do. That's what I really was interested in. But everybody said it's such a long process to go into psychology and there's no money in it and whatever. So anyways, I listened, I went did the accounting, become a CPA so I could earn a living. But long behold, yoga and Ayurveda found me. How they found me is when I started to do the inner healing work. So many times, when we are day in, day out going to a job, I remember I was the manager of finance in this big construction, I don't know, what was it, manufacturing company. I had a couple of plants under me that I had to go visit. At least 1 out of the 5 days going to the office, I wanted to call in sick. But I made myself go there. I wasn't there. And then, I left that job when my kid was born. But it's such a drag. I was really good at my job, but making financial statements is not something that fired me up. So I left that job even when everyone said, that business is so lucrative. What are you doing? You should not give that up. And I instead went into yoga and opened up a yoga studio. And I knew that I'm really good at this. This is what I'm supposed to do. So we can't find our gifts, our purpose, because it's so hidden under the weight of the undigested experiences, trauma. So that's why the inner healing is so important. The inner world reflects our outer world. When we align internally, our outer life begins to align with our gifts, our passion, our purpose, with who we are. So I invite you to sign up, register for my free 2 webinars that are still left, June 21st, June 28th. First one is Wisdom of Triggers. Second one is Emotional Resilience or Immunity, something like that. Tuesdays, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll put the link here. Go ahead and sign up. And I look forward to seeing you there.